Okay guys, today I got something different for you. It's a craft kit and it's this one. This is called Creative You Do-It-Yourself Soap Bars. You make your own soap here and looks like you can, I'm not sure, it looks like you can make up to 2 or something. And this is Mint Bliss scent. And well, let me open it up and see what's inside. Oh, and this is made by the Horizon Group. Drop something. Here's what you get inside here. This is the green mica powder. Hard to get in here. Yikes. Your mold. Some kind of card, I don't know. Instructions. And shimmer colorant, also mica powder. Your soap tablets. The fragrances, I'm going to smell them right now. This one is spearmint. Kind of light. Well, spearmint is a little light on the scent. So let's see what the peppermint's like. A little stronger, but still faint. See what the Woo! A lot of stuff here. So it looks like I'll have to make 2 types of mixtures separately. So, well, I'm gonna head into the kitchen and let's get going. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is, I got my bowls here. Oh, I forgot to show you. I got a little stir stick here. Didn't show you that before. Sorry about that. I got everything out of their packages because it's a pain in the ass to get into them. So it says here I need to make 2 different soap mixtures in 2 separate bowls. Place your soaps in bowls and microwave for like 20-30 seconds. Unfortunately, I don't have a microwave, but I got a little double boiler here I jerry-rigged, so hopefully that works. So, and I'm going to go on and melt these first. And I'm going to cut through to when they are melted. Okay, so here are those 2 tablets melted, and I gotta say, it actually did work pretty good. So I'm going to stop stirring with the stick. Better get a towel because this bowl's hot. Whoa, steamy. I'm going to pour this in here. should be about... God, it looks like it's already starting to set. Better hurry. So now I'm going to add my clear tablet. Put it in there. And while that's going, I'm going to stir this mica powder in. It says let's see. Add your mica powder to one bowl slowly as you mix with your stir stick, making sure that the soap is smooth with no bubbles. So I'm going and stir that. Goodness, God, this is starting to set. I better hurry. Going to add the rest. Oops. And when we come back, I'm gonna show you what it is stirred. Okay, here is everything melted. The clear and the solid color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my scents now. Like it says here to. Okay, add about 8 to 10 drops of your fragrance of choice to your wanted soap and stir. So I'm going to add the spearmint to the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to stir that up. Does it smell? Not really smelling much, but anywho. So now I'm going to add the peppermint fragrance to the clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tip that over. Now I'm going to stir that up. Oops, adding some of the So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that in the bowl, get that out of there, and then I'll pour it in the mold and I'll cut to see what it looks like in the mold. Well, here it is in the mold. Now it says, leave your soap to dry completely. This will take about 2 hours. Once it's fully dried, squeeze the mold gently until the soap pops out. And then, once it's completely dried out of the mold, we can decorate it with the gold mica powder. Well, we'll do that. Well, I'll see you in 2 hours and then we'll put the gold in. Well, here it is out of the mold, and I gotta say it did dry fairly quickly. It dried like in an hour and 15 minutes instead of 2. So what I'm gonna, here's what the gold luster looks like. And I'm going to paint it inside these little crevices here. I'm going to jump cut through that, and I'll see if I could try to see how it suds, and I'll give you my final thoughts. So a little toothpick here. You're supposed to use a brush, but unfortunately I don't have one. Let me try the point end. That might work better. Okay, I'm gonna cut through the other two and I'll get it suds up. I'll see if I can wash my hands with it. Okay, let's see how well it suds. Suds up pretty good. Okay, now I'll give you my final thoughts about it. So my final thoughts on the soap kit. I'll have to say it did work. It came together all right. The smell was a little so-so, but the main gripe about it is that the instructions were a little confusing, and the soap, when it melted, it did set up too fast. I had to reheat it again so I could make sure everything's stirred in correctly. Well, anyway, out of 5, I would give it like a 3. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.